Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and guess what? Yep, there's another Cricut Mystery Box this month. This one is called Clover, and it is only $39.99. It comes with a big variety of materials that I'll talk about in a minute. The purchase link to get this is in the description where you see the video posted, and if you purchase $50 or more in the Cricut shop, including this and a little bit more, you can use my promo code SMQD01 and get 10% off plus free shipping in US and Canada. Okay, now let's take a quick look at what all's inside here because there's a lot to get. All right, the first thing you're going to get is the party foil. This one's orange and it's really sparkly. Okay, so this is great for when you're going to be decorating for a party and or just to add a little sparkle in a room, maybe a child's room or your craft room or whatever, or maybe at your cubicle if you're at work. I have a video on using the party foil, so I will link that up in the description where you see the video. So if you want to take a look at that, it's also on my YouTube channel. But you get a roll of the orange. Now, you also are going to get a flat pack of Everyday Iron-On. This is the all occasion value pack. So it is gold, silver, black, and white. You get 3 sheets of each one. So that's 12 sheets of Everyday Iron-On in 12 by 12. Okay. So you want to make sure that you know that this is Iron-On and set this aside in your stash. Okay. Now, you're also going to get a pack of Cricut felt. Okay, this is the Summer Sky one. It's absolutely beautiful. You can cut this in your Cricut Explorer and your Cricut Maker machines, and it's beautiful colors for making all kinds of, you know, flowers or succulents or little creatures of whatever kind. It looks great on also on paper crafting products like cards or little images for baby showers or birthday parties or whatever. So you get a pack of the Summer Sky sampler. You also are going to get 4 rolls of the Cricut removable matte printed premium vinyl. Okay, so let's talk about this. Each one of these has different patterns in it. There's 6 different sheets in here of 12 by 12. So there's different patterns in each one. This one has 3 different patterns in it, and I think they're all kind of like that. Yes, they each have 2 sheets of the same pattern. All right, so what would you do with these? Let's talk about that. Now, it is removable. Okay, so that means you can put it on a surface and later you can take it off and it's not going to leave a sticky residue. So think of this as really fun pattern paper that you could put on any type of a project, whether it is paper crafting or home decor. And you can also put it on the wall and remove it. And with all the different patterns that you're going to get, you're going to find all kinds of cool things that you can do with it. You can also put it on like painted wood surfaces that to make a home decor sign or anything like that. I actually am working on a tutorial for you guys showing you how I use this on a recipe card box to dress it up and to just make it a little more fun. So stay tuned for that. I'll have that out probably next week. And but you get 4 rolls. So the ones I got, and I think you'll get the same ones, there's a Charlotte sampler. There is Ditzy Dots primary. Okay. And this one is the Francesca sampler. And this one is the Chantilly sampler. Okay, so you're going to get 4 rolls of this removable matte vinyl. So you can use it just like any other regular vinyl product that, you know, to put it on items. But you can also use it, think of it as a replacement for scrapbook paper that already has adhesive on it. That's the way I think of it. Anyway, and not only are you going to get all this, but you're going to get 2 packs of Disney Mickey and Minnie Mouse paper. who doesn't love it? All right. So the first one that I'm going to show you, this one's Disney Perfect Pair Deluxe Paper. Now, this is on a really nice weight craft paper. Okay, so it's a craft colored paper, but what you're going to see is you're going to get 2 sheets. So the first sheet is one pattern, and this definitely looks, you know, Disney. It has Mickey and Minnie on it, but the flip side of it is just this really sweet little daisy. Okay, and then there's Minnie. She's so cute. But there's also, on the flip side of Minnie, is this great black and white black polka dot, sorry. And then also here is Mickey. But on the flip side of Mickey is this really nice geometric graph look paper. Okay, so you can use these for things other than Mickey and Minnie. If that's not your thing, look at the flip side of this beautiful paper. Now, this craft colored cardstock is great, and these are a wonderful weight for making any type of 3D project with it as well. I'm just going to show you real quick. So there's a Mickey and Minnie. Flip side is Mickey heads, but you also get 2 sheets of just plain craft paper, both sides. Okay, so think about some of those 3-dimensional boxes and things like that that you want to make. This would be really cute for that. Now, you're also going to get Disney Minnie Rocks the Dots Deluxe Paper. Again, it's double-sided. So you're going to see lots of Minnie Mouse on here. But the flip side of this paper is this beautiful black and white stripe. So you can use that on a variety of things. There is Minnie's pink bow, but you can use it just for girly stuff. It doesn't have to be for Minnie. And the flip side of that is this black and white stripe. Then we have a pink Minnie paper, but the flip side of it is this yellow splotch. So I'm showing you these so that you don't think that this is, oh, I don't have Disney stuff that I need to do. But look at the flip side of this paper. You can use it for just about anything. It's red and pink polka dots. This one's black on a white background. There is Minnie again in red. The flip side of that is kind of this two-tone Minnie. Then there is a yellow Minnie on here, but the flip side of that is this really cute navy and pink. Okay, so there's several pages in here that you could certainly use for something other than if you didn't want to do Disney, Minnie and Mickey. Okay, so you're going to get all of this in the Clover Mystery Box, and it is $39.99. Thanks for using my link to purchase. That supports my channel and me doing more tutorials for you guys. And with this variety, if you are new to Cricut, this is going to give you a great start to using a bunch of new products, or maybe you're just still collecting a few things to use. Don't forget, use the purchase link. I appreciate that. $39.99, and if you purchase $50, so add another $11 in your shopping cart, you can use my promo code SMQD01 and get an additional 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. Talk to you guys later. Hope you are enjoying these mystery boxes because this isn't going to last for long. All right, bye. Have a great day. Come join us over in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group. We'd love to have you. Bye.